Hello everyone, I'm Amina, a PhD student at the Higher Institute of Commerce and Business Administration, IKEA Casablanca, in Morocco. Today I will be presenting a co-authored research with Professor Adil BAMI titled Integrating ESG Criteria into Corporate Governance, a Pathway to Sustainable Business Practices. To introduce, corporate governance encompasses the systems and processes that guide how companies are managed and regulated. In recent years, the importance of environmental, social, and governance ESG criteria within this framework has surged, driven by a growing demand for transparency and accountability from stakeholders. Investors and consumers alike are increasingly seeking assurance that organizations are committed to sustainable practices and ethical operations. As a result, integrating ESG factors into corporate governance is not just but essential for fostering trust and ensuring long-term success in today's business environment. In our literature review, we found that ESG criteria encompass a range of factors, including a company's environmental impact, social responsibility, and governance practices. Research indicates that organizations that effectively integrate ESG factors into their governance frameworks are better positioned to create long-term value. This integration not only enhances operational efficiency, but also improves risk management and resilience in a rapidly changing corporate environment. Our research employed a qualitative approach, utilizing a systematic literature review and case studies of 6 notable companies: Unilever, Microsoft, Patagonia, Danone, Tesla, and IKEA. We analyzed their annual report, sustainability disclosures, and governance practices to understand how these organizations have integrated ESG criteria into their corporate governance frameworks. Our key findings reveal that integrating ESG criteria into corporate governance leads to enhanced risk management and long-term value creation. Companies that prioritize ESG factors are better equipped to meet stakeholders' expectations, which foster trust collaborations. For instance, organizations like Microsoft and Unilever have established dedicated sustainability committees to oversee their ESG initiatives, demonstrating a commitment to responsible governance. So let's take a closer look at our case studies that exemplify successful integration of ESG criteria into their corporate governance. First, through its Sustainable Living Plan, Unilever focuses on health and environmental impact with a dedicated sustainability committee ensuring accountability and responsible sourcing. Second, committed to being carbon negative by 2030, Microsoft invests in renewable energy and innovative programs like AI for Earth, demonstrating how technology can enhance sustainability. Third, Patagonia prioritizes sustainability over profit with initiatives like Worn Wear, encouraging product repair and use and reuse, which fosters strong brand loyalty. Fourth, with its One Planet, One Health vision, Danone aims for carbon neutrality by 2050, aligning corporate strategy with sustainability goals through a dedicated committee. Now we go to Tesla that accelerates the transition to sustainable energy by producing zero-emission vehicles and investing in renewable energy, showcasing innovation aligned with ESG principles. And finally, IKEA's Peoples and Planet Positive approach aims for all products to be made from renewable and recycled materials by 2030, highlighting their commitment to reducing environmental impact. These case studies demonstrate that integrating ESG criteria not only enhances brand reputation, but it also gives long-term value creation. So, the lessons learned from our case studies, they highlight the importance of board engagement in sustainability efforts. Companies that set clear, measurable ESG goals and actively involve stakeholders in decision-making processes, they tend to achieve better outcomes. For example, Patagonia's mission-driven governance has fostered strong consumer loyalty and financial success. So, in conclusion, integrating environmental, social, and governance or ESG criteria into corporate governance is essential for enhancing organizational performance and building trust with stakeholders. By making sustainability a core part of their strategy, companies they can improve efficiency and align their goals with societal expectations. Looking ahead, future research should explore the long-term impact of ESG practices, consider diverse geographical contexts, and incorporate stakeholder perspectives. As the demand for transparency grows, organizations must adapt to these changes to maintain a competitive edge and create lasting value. Thank you for your attention.